Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys? I hope you guys are doing well. Today we are reading Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus. It's a read aloud of a story, and this is a very new thing. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, let's get started. Throughout this book, the author is basically trying to tell us how to say no to someone. There will be scenarios, there will be people talking to you, mainly two people, driver and a pigeon. Since they are talking to you, I would like it if you guys make up a response for each of them. I will be giving a response as well, but it's important if you think of something by yourself, you can comment that below or just think of it. Okay, so let's go. Hi, I am the bus driver. Hi, I am Prey. Listen, I have got to leave for a little while. So can you watch things for me until I get back? Yeah, sure, I can do that. Thanks, no problem. Oh, and remember, don't let the pigeon drive the bus. Oh, okay, I won't. And now the driver left. And here comes the pigeon. I thought he would never leave. Uh huh. Hey, can I drive the bus? No. Please? No. I will be careful. I'm sure, but I can't let you drive the bus. I tell you what, I will just steer. Still no. My cousin Herb drives a bus almost every day. True story. That's nice for Herb, but I still can't let you drive the bus. Room, room, roomy, room, room. Now he is making sounds as how he would be driving a bus. The sounds that will come from the bus when he is at the wheel. Pigeon at the wheel. No. No? I never get to do anything. I'm sorry. Hey, I have got an idea. Let's play Drive the Bus. Oh, great idea, but we can't play. Or you can just say, no, we can't play. I will go first. And he starts running. So you'll say, hey, wait. No, we are not playing. Come on, just once around the block. No, I will be your best friend. Or still can't let you drive the bus. How about I give you $5? No. No fair. I bet your mom would let me. I don't think so. What's the big deal? It's just a bus. The driver said not to let you drive the bus, so I cannot. I have dreams, you know. I know, but I still can't let you drive the bus. Fine. Now he is throwing tantrums. In this illustration, our author is telling us, hey, the pigeon is throwing tantrums. Let me drive the bus. No, I can't let you drive the bus. Please understand. And the driver is back. I am back. Hey, you didn't let the pigeon drive the bus, did you? No, we didn't. Great, thanks a lot. No problem. And that's it for this video. Let me know if you enjoyed it in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know if I should do more videos like this, and if you have any requests, comment them below. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Bye.